Good afternoon, viewers and listeners of Tech Point Zone. Today's video is about cylinders, what to look out for, and how to check for cylinder health. This particular cylinder is 7.5 kg. It's of the camp gas side type, which is you can put the burner here and put the stove carrier here. So looking at this cylinder, you can see it's still well painted, looks good, no rust, and it's made by Oando Energy. And look at the sun cap, meaning it conforms with the Standard Organization of Nigeria standard. So let's go through the prints and what to look out for. Looking at the prints here, you have LPG 6 kg. What this means is you cannot fill this gas beyond 6 kg. Don't attempt to fill it beyond 6 kg because sometimes you might be tempted to think, oh, because it has 7.5 written on it, then it can take gas up to 7.5. No, this is 6 kg. You can see the total weight is 7.8 kg, meaning the weight of this cylinder plus the burner plus the stove carrier makes up 7.8 kg. Let's go on to other things here. We have the WP 18 bar. This is the working pressure of this cylinder, and it is 18 bar, meaning whatever you are going to use this cylinder for should not be more than 18 bar or below. Look at we also have the TP, which is the testing pressure 34 bar. Now this testing pressure should not be used as a gauge because it is the pressure that was used in testing the cylinder. Always keep your cylinder within the working pressure only and not the test pressure. Then you also have WC, which is the water capacity, meaning if you have to fill this cylinder with water, it's going to take 13.2 liters of water. Then the last part we have here is the requalification caution, meaning this cylinder has to be tested or retested after 5 years. Remember what we saw here is 2019 April, and here it is saying after 5 years, meaning by 2024 it should be retested. Then we have the NIS, which is the ISO standard that was used in the manufacturing of this cylinder for safety compliance. So let's go over it again. The most critical one here is you should always refill this cylinder only up to 6 kg and not more than, for safety reasons. I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon notification so that you can be the first to get our videos when new ones come out. Thanks, stay blessed, see you in the next video.